Human beings become who they are, not necessarily because they are endowed with tremendous knowledge, capability or talent. It is simply because they are devoted to what they are doing. Devotion is a tool to dissolve yourself. When you're devoted to some process, it can be a sport, it can be music, it can be art, it can be a science, it can be spiritual process. When you're absolutely devoted, you become a single-minded, relentless focus. It is in this relentless focus that the doors that shall not yield to others will yield to you. It is in opening of these many doors that you become a big impact in whatever you're doing. It does not matter what is the nature of your activity. Once you see a certain activity is significant and worth performing, then you must be devoted to that. In that devotion, you will evolve and the activity will evolve. And above all, it shall not entangle you, as many activities without necessary devotion are performed. When activity is performed without necessary devotion, it leads to entanglement. But activity that is performed with a sense of deep devotion leads to one's liberation.